So why is it that yawning can make our eyes water? This happens because when we yawn, our facial muscles constrict, and this includes the muscles around the eyes. It puts pressure onto those tear-producing glands, and that makes your eyes fill up with tears. If you're someone who has particularly watery eyes, this will be worse because as the pressure is put on those tear ducts, if they're already watery, you're more likely to have tears, which is why some people actually don't ever get this at all. Now, some scientists believe that one of the reasons why we yawn is to cool our brain down, and therefore if this is the case, the tears would also help in reducing the heat in our brain.